If you want to customize every website, you have to follow this tutorial. Okay, so in order to do this, you have to go to Stylish in Google Chrome and Google, and you have to find the first option, Stylish extension, and you have to install this extension as I did. As you can see, I have this extension here. The next thing you have to do is to go to userstyles.org, and here you will find every website backgrounds, themes, and skins you can get. For example, I'm going to pick the YouTube Hello Kitty theme, and I'm going to install it, okay? So I press install, I go back to YouTube, and as you can see, I have this theme installed. So you can do this with other websites. For example, let me see, I can check it out right now. Okay, so for example, I don't know, Roblox, I can get some for Roblox, for example this Hello Kitty Roblox background GIF, and as you can see I have the theme on Roblox and it's pretty cool. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.